Good morning, students. Let us continue our topic, that is Plasmodium vivax. Let us see life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in man, that is called as human phase. Human phase completes in two stages or in two divisions. The asexual reproduction occurs through hepatic schizogony and also erythrocytic schizogony. I told you that in human beings, the reproduction takes place asexually, that is called as schizogony. And if schizogony occurs in, if the schizogony occurs in liver cells, it is called hepatic schizogony. If the schizogony occurs in RBC, that is erythrocytes, then it is called as erythrocytic schizogony. So Plasmodium vivax is completing its life cycle asexually in man, which is called as human phase. So in human phase, asexual reproduction occurs through schizogony, and if schizogony occurs in the liver cells of man, it is called hepatic schizogony. If the schizogony occurs in RBC, it is called erythrocytic schizogony. Now let us see hepatic schizogony, means how this schizogony is occurring in liver cells. It is hepatic schizogony, which was discovered by Short and Garnham. Short and Garnham discovered hepatic schizogony. So when a mosquito, infected mosquito, bites a healthy person, 2000 sporozoites. I told you that sporozoites are the infective stage of Plasmodium vivax. So when a mosquito, infected mosquito bites a healthy person, 2000 sporozoites enter into the bloodstream of man. That is sporozoites entering into the blood. Within half an hour, they reach the hepatocytes. What are hepatocytes? They are the liver cells. So after entering into the liver cells, the sporozoites, they undergo changes. They become feeding stage, that is called as trophozoite. Trophozoite is the feeding stage. It eats on the liver cells and now it is called trophozoite. And when it increases in size, it is called as schizont. So the next stage is schizont. After reaching schizont stage, the nucleus divides and also the cytoplasm divides. Nucleus divides by mitotic division, that is equal division. And after the division of the nucleus and cytoplasm, from the schizont, 12,000 cryptozoites are released. These are called first generation merozoites. From each sporozoite in the liver cells, 12,000 cryptozoites are released, which are called as first generation merozoites. First generation merozoites are now released from the liver cells and they are in the sinusoids of the liver cells, in between the liver cells. And they have two options. They can go to fresh liver cells or they can reach RBC. If they enter into fresh liver cell, they continue exoerythrocytic cycle. If they enter into RBC, they continue erythrocytic cycle. So, when mosquitoes bites a healthy person, infected mosquito bites a healthy person, 2000 sporozoites are released into the bloodstream of man. Within half an hour, they reach liver cells. In liver cells, they transform into feeding stage trophozoite. Trophozoite changes into schizont, which undergoes schizogony through mitotic division, and 12,000 cryptozoites or first generation merozoites are formed. They may go to fresh liver cells to start exoerythrocytic cycle, or they may go to RBC to start erythrocytic cycle. This is pre-erythrocytic cycle, which was studied by Short and Granham. We'll see the next one, that is exoerythrocytic